Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to pin a chat in WhatsApp Web. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp Web by launching your web browser and navigating to the WhatsApp Web website. Step 2. From the chat list, find the chat you want to pin. Step 3. Right-click on the desired chat. Step 4. From the menu, select Pin Chat. And there you have it. You've successfully pinned a chat in WhatsApp Web. Pinning a chat allows you to keep important conversations at the top of your chat list for easy access. It's a convenient way to prioritize and stay organized. To unpin a chat, simply right-click on the pinned chat and select Unpin Chat from the menu. Now you know how to pin and unpin chats in WhatsApp Web. It's a useful feature to stay on top of your most important conversations. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials. Leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below.